your kitty accidentally claws your fingers when he's hopping up on your bed. Crazy cat lady props.
Babies. Get babies.
And dip to start off my day. Yummy. Hey guys, so today is Saturday, March the 10th, I believe, 2018, and I just got finished taking a shower, cleaned my hair, and I blow dried it, and I'm getting ready to put on some makeup and take some selfies because yesterday I went out shopping with my fam, and we went into Spencer's, and I found me a Tina shirt from Bob's Burgers, and you guys know my obsession with that show. I'm completely obsessed, and Tina is my spirit animal. I love her so much, and the shirt says butts, and I'll give you guys a better view of it here in a little bit. I had to get it, like I thought it was so cute. And I also ended up getting a Reptar bar and tried that for the first time, and I'll probably end up trying it again on camera just so you guys can somewhat get my first reaction on it, because I only had a piece of it yesterday, and I don't know, it might be different today. But yeah, I just thought that I would vlog because I haven't done it in a long time. Like, aside from Zombie Prom, like, I haven't actually vlogged with you guys on a regular day in a while, so I thought that I would do that. It's nice to kind of update you guys on a few things that have been going on. And I've been really busy this past week because this past week and the week before last, I think it was the week before last, our furnace decided to start acting up on us, and we kept smelling like something was burning in our house, and it actually set off the smoke alarm, and it freaked us out, so we turned it off. We ordered a new furnace, and it came in, and my papa and my dad don't know how to, like, plug it in and everything, so they had to have someone come here, and, you know, he got it working and everything, but it's not fully set in yet because there's something else that we need for it in order for it to work correctly without catching our house on fire. So we've been dealing with that, and I know that spring is coming soon, but here in West Virginia it kind of takes a while for it to warm up completely, and just the other day it was actually snowing, like, on and off, and it was freezing cold, so we've been keeping warm with little heaters for now until our furnace gets fixed. But yeah, that's been something that I've been dealing with this past week. Been very busy with that. That's the reason why I haven't really posted much this past week. You guys are probably going to be seeing this the following week, but yeah, I just really wanted to vlog and update you guys. We're hanging in there. And also something else that I wanted to mention to you guys, this is not sponsored, I just wanted to talk about it a little bit in my video, and I just tried out the new dry shampoo by Batiste, and it's like the fruity kind. I don't know exactly what it's called, but it smells really good, and I have very thin hair, as you guys can see, and I was washing it every day, and I knew that that was, like, not healthy for your head, so I got some of that and I tried it out the other day, and I really am happy with the results. I'm gonna start getting that from here on out and using it, like, on the days when I don't wash my hair, because I feel like it's gonna make my hair look more fuller and healthier. I'm gonna go put my makeup on and everything, and then I will show you guys my outfit, and I think that I'm gonna make my dad take me to the store, like the dollar store or something, so we can get some candy, and I wanted to pick my kitties up something too, so. Alrighty guys, so I just finished with my makeup, and I wanted to show you guys my little outfit for today because I never dress up, ever. It's gonna be like a little outfit of the day sort of thing. So for my top, this is my new Tina shirt that I got from Spencer's, and it says butts, which I thought was really funny because same, like she is seriously my spirit animal, you guys. And then underneath of it I have a black undershirt, spaghetti strap shirt, and I have, sorry if it's loud by the way, the washer's going so it's jarring up against my wall in my dresser. And then I have this black cardigan sort of sweater thing over top of it because it's still cold here. You guys know how that is if you live in a colder state in the wintertime. And then I have these dark blue jeans from Delia's, which I don't even think that store is around anymore. If it is, I think that it's only online, which kind of sucks because I loved their clothes, but I got them forever ago and I really like them. And then I also have my little black choker necklace, and this is a ring that my niece gave to me. It's actually 2 rings, and I put them together. So yeah, and then I did my makeup all... This is like my typical makeup that I've been doing recently. I don't know. I kind of just got the idea off of someone's picture online and thought that it was really pretty, so that's what I started doing to my face. And yeah, now I'm gonna go take some selfies and get ready to eat because my mama's making homemade mashed potatoes, and I love me some damn homemade mashed potatoes, so I'm excited. I'm gonna go take some selfies, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. So I just went to the dollar store to get some candy, and I absolutely love these. These are the Werther's Original, and they're the hard caramels, but you bite into them and they have this like creamy caramel come into your mouth. It's so amazing. And then I got this pack of bubble gum, which has apple, grape, and the original flavors all in it. So yummy, I cannot wait. I also picked up some candy for my mom and my dad as well, and I got some toys and some treats for my kitties. So yeah, it was a nice little stop, and now I think that I am going to chill for the rest of the night. Sorry if this vlog's kind of boring. I was trying to vlog yesterday, and I don't know, it just wasn't going right. Like, I don't know if any of you other vloggers or YouTubers out there, like, you know, you vlog and then you kind of, like halfway through forget about it, or, you know, if you're like me and you're kind of the type that doesn't really like to vlog very much out in public, then, you know, you kind of just shyly or, you know, kind of try to hide your camera whenever you're filming, and I don't think that I'm the only one who does that. It's just that I'm afraid to vlog in public, which is something I definitely want to try and get out of at some point, but I ended up just like deleting the video and decided that I would start over today. So I know it's been really boring so far, but I had my homemade mashed potatoes and a little bit of corn, and I've been eating all day. I'm a freaking pig, I swear. Like on the weekends I just pig out on whatever I want, and I think on weekdays I'm more like, well, I try to be, at least. I try to be a little bit more careful with how much I eat. Anyways, I took my selfies, I ate dinner, just got back from the dollar store. So yeah, I'm gonna chill and watch some celebrity ghost stories and probably change into some pajama pants. I literally only wore these for selfies, and that was it. Because I don't like jeans. Anybody who knows me knows I don't like jeans. I like my pajama pants, or like my sweatpants, yoga pants, leggings, anything that's comfortable like that. I'm also, the lady that was checking me out at the store, she actually complimented me on my shirt. I thought that was funny, so I guess I'm not the only one who's a Tina fan or Bob's Burgers fan. I actually sat last night and like watched a whole marathon of Bob's Burgers celebrity ghost stories, because we have this channel on our cable that plays celebrity ghost stories still, reruns, and that was always one of my favorite ghost shows. So I've been like watching, like, recording all of those throughout the week and then having, like, a big marathon at the end of the week. And I think later, before I end the vlog, I'll, you know, try another piece of my Reptar bar for you guys so you can kind of get my first reaction, even though it's not, and see what it does. Because I heard it's supposed to turn your tongue green, but I didn't know. They actually had Reptar cereal there as well. They had a lot of cool 90s stuff in there, like 90s Nicktoons, and I was loving that because I'm a 90s baby and I'm obsessed with all the 90s stuff, especially Rugrats. Also, I'm pretty sure that we're the only ones who actually still have an FYE around us. So it's crazy because, like, everyone else I know, their FYE has closed. So, and I love that store. I would go crazy if that store ended up closing in our mall because everything's closing in our mall. It's kind of insane, but anyways, I'm gonna go and I will see you guys in a little bit. I'm gonna take it over again. I did this yesterday and I ended up deleting the video, but it's my Reptar bar. It has green frosting in the center.
Sergey, the lackey that worked for Dmitri and the mob. Plans
Who?
were arranged for Sergey to meet with a CIA handler to turn over all the necessary info to
Okay, now second time around, it's not that bad.
But then the word got out Dmitri greenlit Sergey, alright?
Yeah, at the moment the
Did turn my tongue green.
Sergey, he felt
It's just rich.
Real rich.
about this, Jack, where the CIA would have handled it
It's not nasty, it's just rich.
Sorry, it does turn your tongue green. And it kind of tastes like a chocolate bunny, but it's really rich.
Hello guys, so it's the following day. I believe it's Sunday the 11th of 2018. I'm sitting here petting my cuddly bugs, my baby, because she's always wanting lovin's from me, and I'm not complaining because I love it when she comes up to me wanting me to pet her. I forgot to end the vlog last night because I ended up getting so busy, and sometimes that happens with me when I vlog. Like, I'll get so interested in something that I'll just kind of forget that I was vlogging or just not feel like vlogging anymore that night, and so I apologize, but I thought that I would go ahead and end the vlog today. And last night, I think after you see me, I ended up watching like a big marathon of celebrity ghost stories, like all of the celebrity ghost stories throughout the week. I watched every single one of them, and then I ended up going to bed. So that was the rest of my night. It went pretty good. I love having marathons of those creepy shows. They're the best. Yeah, so I just wanted to check in with you guys and end the vlog here. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a big old thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already and become a morbid maniac. And I will see you guys in my next video.